Welcome to HerbeeLife. Are you dreaming of long, thick, and healthy hair? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll share the best tips and secrets to achieve your hair goals naturally. Let's dive in. Discover the journey to luscious locks and the natural methods to get there. No harsh chemicals, just pure, natural goodness. 4 best things for hair. Uncover the top 4 natural ingredients and practices that can transform your hair's health, making it longer and thicker. These tried and tested methods are simple yet effective for achieving the hair of your dreams. 1. Aloe Vera. Known for its soothing and moisturizing properties, aloe vera helps to condition the scalp and promote hair growth. 2. Coconut oil. Rich in fatty acids, coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and keeping hair healthy. 3. Onion juice. High in sulfur, onion juice can boost collagen production and improve hair strength. 4. Egg mask. Packed with proteins and nutrients, egg masks help nourish the scalp and strengthen hair strands. This one thing alone can take the health of your hair to the next level. Learn about the single most impactful habit that can revolutionize your hair care routine and boost your hair's vitality: scalp massage. Regular scalp massages increase blood circulation, stimulate hair follicles, and promote hair growth. Try using warm oil for an added benefit. This is the world's best natural shampoo. Find out which natural shampoo stands out as the world's best, promoting healthy, strong, and beautiful hair without harmful additives. Rita Soapnut Shampoo. Rita is a natural cleanser that gently removes dirt and excess oil without stripping the hair of its natural oils. It's perfect for maintaining a balanced and healthy scalp. If you want to increase the growth of your hair or beard, start using this oil. Discover the miracle oil that not only enhances hair growth but also works wonders for your beard: castor oil. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, which help accelerate blood circulation to the scalp, increasing hair growth. It also moisturizes and conditions the hair, making it thicker and stronger. This one food is not just a food but a natural supplement for your hair. Explore the superfood that doubles as a natural supplement, providing your hair with essential nutrients for optimum growth and strength: flax seeds. Flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the hair follicles, encourage hair growth, and improve hair elasticity and strength. Incorporate a tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your daily diet for best results. 4 common mistakes that damage the hair. Avoid these 4 common mistakes that could be sabotaging your hair growth efforts. Protect your hair and promote its natural beauty by steering clear of these damaging habits. 1. Overwashing. Washing your hair too often strips it of its natural oils, leading to dryness and breakage. 2. Using heat styling tools. Excessive use of hair dryers, straighteners, and curling irons can damage the hair shaft and lead to split ends. 3. Tight hairstyles. Constantly pulling your hair back tightly can cause tension, leading to hair breakage and traction alopecia. 4. Skipping conditioner. Not using conditioner can leave your hair dry and prone to tangling and breakage. Always condition your hair after shampooing. Embrace these natural tips and watch your hair transform into the long, thick, and healthy mane you've always desired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips from HerbeeLife. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos on natural beauty and health tips.